So we had the startup of the generator last week with Cummins and Krieger and Stewart on site. They were able to check all the safety stuff out there with the generator. The wiring up to the actual building still needs to be done, but the water supply will be working on that. And Cummins will be scheduling training by Cummins for staff soon too.
Is that for the generator?
Yeah, training for the generator. The door did get rekeyed, the doors to our key, but we are having problems with one of the doors, so that'll be one of the punch list items to get that fixed. We did send all the water quality sampling results to the state. And as of this morning, I double checked with them and said, hey, do you got everything you need? Do you need anything else? And they responded that they were trying to get that permit change, our permit changed and sent to us this week. So that will be great. And Bill Hoffman with Krieger and Stewart expected to send the project to the board for acceptance next month,
July or August?
August. Not this month, it would be on this agenda, but I said it's too late for July. NG finished up their installation, their electrical tie-in. They were on site today to clean the panels out at 35. Their next step is going to be sending out their commissioning team to verify all the system settings and operation. They're planning to do that on Monday the 12th. And they're also collecting all the final paperwork to submit to SCE as part of the interconnection agreement. So that's where we're at with the solar. Any questions on 35? Coming down to it, almost done.
Okay.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. All right, I'll move on to post-earthquake repairs. We have the one last project, which is that roof at the C-Zone Booster Building. Wasson did complete their work except some punch list items we have for them to finish. And it should be, it's supposed to be this month that they will be getting those up ducts that they ordered. We did get a extension to the end of the project from Cal OES to the end of August, just in case there's a problem getting those up ducts, but we haven't heard anything new. Still expecting to get them by the middle of this month. And I've started preparing the paperwork to submit to Cal OES to get reimbursement for that project. And that'll be our last one that we're submitting to Cal OES.
Okay.
So the other two projects that are a result of the earthquakes is the booster stations at the Gateway Tank site. We did look at 90% plans last week. So I'll be sending comments over to Krieger and Stewart, and we should be having the specifications to look at, draft specifications for this project this week. The tank replacements, we've already looked at the C-Zone and D-Zone tank replacement 50% plans, and we received the 50% plans for the new college tank, and we'll be discussing those on Monday in our regular engineering and operations meeting Monday afternoon. So those are also moving along. And that's all I have.
That's it for Renee. Any questions for Renee? Anybody? Thanks, Renee. Okay, number 5 there.
We are about 99% done with the SATs, the site acceptance tests at Plant 2. There's a couple punch list items. Once those are done, ATSI will issue us a new revised SAT document to sign. Once that's completed, they will be up to install at Plant 1 and begin the process there as well, which should be the last site.
Okay. Let's go ahead and do number 6, and we'll take any questions if we got them for you.
Both plants are up, though only one is on the new SCADA system. We do have the iron analyzer installed at Plant 1, which has been tested and proven to be effective in detecting the color from iron should there be a breakthrough. So we'll be looking at installing that as part of the SCADA system and using it to shut the plant off should we detect any iron getting through, which would be an indicator that arsenic is also breaking through. So it's a positive that we will be able to have another safety added onto the plant, which would help make sure that the customers don't get any water. That's good. Yeah, the tea water.
Okay. Any questions for Jason on SCADA or arsenic? Thanks, Jason. Solar production, who's doing that?
I'll do that.
Okay.
I did produce the handout and sent it to Amber, but she didn't print it out, I guess, so. She does? She can hear me?
It's being brought in as we speak.
Yeah. Okay, so if not, you'll see it in the board meeting packet. The actual savings from July last year through June of this year is $476,277. For the month of June, the actual and guaranteed are real close. So actual, $48,522, guaranteed $48,467. So met the goal for that month. And that's it for that.
That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Mallory, you got anything for future agenda items? Yeah, right, we all do. Don, you got anything?
No, I don't.
Anyone?
Nope.
Okay, I guess we'll call for adjournment at what time up there? 2:07. No, it's not a new record.